What's up, guys? My name is Chris Warrens, and I'm the owner of Warrior Time. Today, we're going to discuss the Sapphire Sandwich, my pros, my cons, my likes, my don't likes, give some technical data, and grade it on a scale of 1 to 10. So let's get into the show. Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional, quote, Sapphire Sandwich. Reference 310.30.42.50.001.002. Oh, Omega and their long reference numbers. I could do without them, but it is what it is. So let's first talk about the nickname, the Sapphire Sandwich, which comes from both the crystal and the case back, right? On the watch are sapphire. So Sapphire Sandwich is the nickname that it gets. All right, what do I like about the Sapphire Sandwich? Well, first and foremost, it's history. We've talked about this when it comes to Speedmasters on this channel. They have been to the moon 6 times, all right? Not this watch in particular. However, Speedmasters have been to the moon 6 times. Omega says it's one of the most iconic timepieces because of going to the moon. The second thing I really like about this watch is the case back. Omega does an excellent job putting their coaxial movement or coaxial master chronometer caliber 3861 on display for all of us to see. It's a pretty movement. It looks breathtaking while it's running. And especially for the price point, you don't see a lot of great open case backs at the market price of the Sapphire Sandwich. We're going to talk about price here in a second. What I don't like, I guess when I was thinking about this show and writing this show, the only thing I can really come up with is I'm not the biggest fan of the bracelet. I mean, the bracelet's not terrible. However, when it comes to wearing, there's plenty of other timepieces at this price point which wear better, in my humble opinion, like Rolex Oyster, Breitling Mesh, and arguably the Speedmaster on steel bracelet as well. Some data and facts. We already briefly discussed the movement, but as mentioned, the coaxial 3861 on display, and it gets a 50-hour power reserve. It's a 42 millimeter steel case with a thickness of 13.2 millimeters and 20 millimeters between lugs, weighing in at approximately 138 grams. Its water resistance is 5 bars, which is also 50 meters and 165 feet. Now, for the price. The MSRP on this watch is $8,400 plus tax here in the United States, but you can find these on the secondary market between $6,000 and $7,000 depending on age and condition. So, what do I think of the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional, the Speedy, the Sapphire Sandwich on a scale of 1 to 10? What would we rate this Omega? Drum roll. Man, I'm going to give it a 9.4 out of 10. Omegas specifically have really grown on me, not only as a dealer, but a wearer. I don't know. There's just something about the craftsmanship and the history I enjoy. It's a cool classic. It's timeless, and it's got a great look to it. You can wear this for pretty much anything, honestly. It's a great piece. All right, so if you want to purchase this Speedy, this Sapphire Sandwich, or want to learn how to work with us, the links are in the show notes below. And before I go, I'd love to hear your feedback on this review, what you think of my review. Maybe there's some things I missed, or you can tell me things that I might not know. I enjoy talking timepieces and respond to everyone, no matter the perspective. But if you haven't hit that like button and haven't subscribed, please do. And most importantly, know that I appreciate you all. I'll catch you next time.